Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today our group will present about challenges in managing a company. The company that we choose is Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad. So this is our team members. Let me introduce myself first. My name is SHABIHAH binti SHAMSUDIN and my matrix number is 2025110475. Next, my team member is
My name is KAMALIA binti MUHAMAD AZMI. My matric number is 2025183903.
I am SALSABILA binti MUHAMAD with student ID 2025164675.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SHABIHAH binti GAFAR. My student ID is 2025195561.
My name is NAJAH binti ZAHARI. My matric number 2025183871.
Let's begin with the background of the company. Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad is an outstanding Islamic financial institution in Malaysia. This bank was officially launched on 1 July 1983, 20 Ramadan 1403 Hijrah by Yang Amat Berhormat Tun Dr. Mahathir Mohamad is the Prime Minister of Malaysia at that time as the first Islamic bank in the country, also the first in Southeast Asia. Its establishment was the result of the Malaysian government awareness to provide an alternative to the conventional interest-based banking system, which is contrary to the principle of Islamic Sharia. However, Bank Islam was established to meet the financial needs of Muslims who wish to conduct transaction in accordance with Sharia. In the early stage, Bank Islam only had one branch in Kuala Lumpur. Therefore, with the development of the national economy and community support, this bank has rapidly expanded and now has more than 140 branches nationwide. Bank Islam not only offer basic banking service such as saving account and personal financing, but also provide a variety of modern financing products such as investment, takaful, corporate banking and digital banking through a mobile application. Bank Islam offers all its service based on Islamic transaction principle, which include the prohibition of riba, interest, martial gambling, and gharar uncertainty, while also embracing the concept of risk sharing and fairness. Bank Islam has a Sharia Advisory Board responsibility for ensuring that all product and service comply with Islamic law. In terms of its vision and mission, Bank Islam aims to be a leader in the Islamic finance industry by delivering innovative, progressive and high-quality service. The bank also committed to promoting pure Islamic values in financing and contributing to the socio-economic development of the country. In conclusion, Bank Islam Malaysia Berhad holds a significant role in advancing the Islamic financial system in Malaysia. It serves not only as the preferred institution for the Muslim community, but also appeals to non-Muslim who value ethical, transparent and equitable financial services. Next, I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, SHABIHAH. I am Asma and now I will present about the Bank Islam organization structure. At the top of the hierarchy, we have two main bodies. The first one is the Sharia Supervisory Council. This council ensures that all banking operations and financial products comply with Islamic principles. The second one is the Board of Directors. They oversee the strategic direction and performance of the bank. Under the Board of Directors, there are 6 key committees. The overall operations of the bank are led by the Group Chief Executive Officer, which is CEO, who reports directly to the Board of Directors. On the left side, on the structure, we have the independent control functions. These departments are crucial for compliance, risk management, and governance. In the business operations category, we have 5 main divisions. Next, I will talk about technological implementation, technological changes, and technological developments of Bank Islam. The first one, technological implementation, which is BIMB by Bank Islam app. Bank Islam's main mobile app called BIMB is designed to make everyday banking simple and convenient. With just a few taps, users can transfer money, pay bills, reload mobile credit and monitor their accounts anytime, anywhere. The app also features biometric login like fingerprint or facial recognition for better security and even allows cardless ATM withdrawals through in-app authentication. Next is Do It Now and Do It Now QR integration. Bank Islam also supports the Do It Now ecosystem. This means users can send and receive money using just a mobile number or make payments by scanning a Do It Now QR code. It's fast, secure and supports Malaysia's push towards a cashless and digital financial system. Now, the technological changes. The first one is shift from traditional to digital banking. In recent years, especially after the COVID-19 pandemic, Bank Islam has adopted a digital-first approach. Now, services like account opening, financing applications, and customer supports can be done fully online. This is not only makes banking more convenient, but also help the bank reach more customers and reduce costs. The second one is enhancements in cybersecurity and compliance. As more customers go online, cybersecurity becomes a top priority. Bank Islam uses tools like multi-factor authentication, biometric verification, and real-time fraud detection to keep accounts safe. They also use red touch or regulatory technology to ensure compliance with laws like AML, KYC, and CFT, while still following Sharia principles. Lastly, the technological developments. The first one is open banking and API integration. One exciting development is Bank Islam's move into open banking. This means customers can connect their Bank Islam accounts to the third-party apps for budgeting, investing, and more through secure APIs. The future goal is to allow external apps to integrate with Bank Islam securely with customer permissions. It gives users more control over their finance while encouraging innovation and personalization. The second one is partnerships with Islamic fintech platforms. Bank Islam is also collaborating with Islamic fintech companies like Active Ventures, which offers Sharia-compliant crowdfunding, and Wahid Invest, a robo-advisor for halal investments. That's all from me. Now I will pass the presentation to the next presenter.
Now, I will present about positive impact that have faced by Bank Islam. First, pioneering Islamic banking. Bank Islam made history as Malaysia's first Islamic bank, leading the way by introducing Sharia-compliant banking products into the country. For example, it has shared its experience with emerging Islamic banks in other countries, which have helped them to grow. In conclusion, this leadership has created a solid and sustainability footing for Islamic finance, both domestically and internationally. Second, convenience to customers. Bank Islam used modern digital tools like mobile banking apps and online payment systems. For instance, customers can now pay bills or transfer funds directly from their phones anytime and anywhere. For conclusion, this convenience makes banking easier and more satisfying for everyone. Third, quick service. Thanks to web-based platforms, opening an account or applying for a loan is faster than ever. For example, most customers complete their applications online and get on-the-spot approval without visiting a branch. As conclusion, this shows how Bank Islam gives priority to customers by delivering fast and efficient services. 4. Financial network expansions. With internet and mobile banking, Bank Islam can reach people even in rural areas who previously had limited access to banking. For example, remote communities can now apply for financing or manage their savings digitally. In short, this helps promote financial inclusion so that all people have access to basic banking services. The last one is Sharia compliance financial technology. Bank Islam includes Islamic values into its digital platforms, offering things like interest-free financing and halal investment options. For example, customers can securely pay zakat online or invest in Sharia-compliant funds. Last from me, by doing so, Bank Islam innovates while fully respecting in religious principles. In conclusion, Bank Islam has made a strong impact. These efforts not only support customer needs, but also promote Islamic values and financial inclusion across the country. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
There are 4 negative impacts in Bank Islam. The first impact is poor mobile app performance and user experience. The digitalization in Bank Islam has shown the poor performance of its mobile application, known as Go by Bank Islam. Slow loading, system freeze, frequent crash, and unresponsive screen are common problems faced by customers. These issues are embarrassing for users, such as during in-store payment or instant transaction. As a result, customers are increasingly reluctant to use the app and prefer to pay in cash, which defeats the purpose of digital transformation. The second impact is limited feature and inconvenient requirements, lack of essential feature, and user control in the new mobile app. For example, the daily transfer limit was reduced to RM250, which is not enough for users to make large transactions. paywave activation, biometric login, or e-wallet linking require unclear steps. Bank Islam does not provide user with a seamless digital experience but complicate a simple process. The third impact is increased risk of cybersecurity threats and fraud. Banks and consumers are exposed to higher cybersecurity risks, including data fraud, account takeovers, and unauthorized card use. Elderly or less tech-savvy users may not recognize fake SMS or fraudulent link. Unauthorized transactions via debit cards have been experienced by some users. This suggests that Bank Islam fraud detection system lack of industry standard or not educating customers about digital securities. The fourth impact is legacy system limitation and service downtime. The old banking system is the main system used by Bank Islam to run its service. It was expensive to maintain, difficult to upgrade, and didn't work well with a new technology. The bank tried to improve its digital service but have trouble integrating new tools into its old system. This results in slow service system crash and customer account issue. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Tamiza. Now let me conclude by saying Bank Islami SHABIHAH has performed well by embracing digital transformation without losing focus on the principle of Islamic banking. Through initiatives like the Center of Digital Experience (CDS), the bank has achieved more accessibility and convenience in banking. It has also managed to maintain customers' trust by offering ethical and Sharia-compliant financial products. Through such move, Bank Islam is a progressive institution that adapts based on market needs without necessarily changing its core principles. Then, I would like to recommend Bank Islam to bridge the digital divide. Bank Islam can initiate targeted digital literacy programs for rural residents and senior citizens. This can include practical workshops, mobile outreach center filled with trainers, and having digital ambassador at branch location to provide one-to-one support. This not only promotes financial inclusion but also creates customer confidence and trust in using digital banking services. Lastly, as online business continues to grow, robust cybersecurity measures are increasingly essential. Bank Islam can enhance its online security by updating encryption processes, regular vulnerability scan, and offering real-time fraud alerts. Online security awareness for customers through in-app tips and awareness campaign can also reduce risk. It helps in the security of customer data and enhance the bank's digital reputation.
That's all from us. Thank you.